UMengameli wezwe udalule ukuthi osonkontileka sebethunyelwe ePort St Johns uqala uhlelo lokwakhela izindlu labo abasalidengwane.
We've got contractors that are going to start building temporary shelters. We've got our traditional leaders. Our king here has delineated land that we can use to temporarily shelter our people. So a combination of forms of assistance is coming together.
Uphinde wamemezela ukuthi uhulumeni uzohlonza izinkampani zabatshali imali ezizothuthukisa iPort St Johns iguqulwe ibe idolobha lesimanje.
Port St Johns must be the smart city in South Africa. Nifuna ukuthi ama-investors, they must come here. To start with, uhulumeni akhuphe imali yokuthi silungise iPort St Johns. Lisibonile neindlela isandla le elungisa indlela all over the country, eyakha indlela. They are already here.
Umasipala wendawo ukholelwa ukuthi ukuzifikela amathupha kukaMengameli kule ndawo kuzobuyisa elikhulu ithemba kumalungu omphakathi.
People are excited and hopeful that the presence of the president will make a difference. We will all understand that it's not the first time that Port St Johns has been through this. It's almost something that started recently in 2019, and there have been disasters that have not been attended to.
UMengameli Ramaphosa uphinde wahlaba ikhwele kosomabhizinisi abazimele lokuthi banikele ngoxhaso lwemali ezolekelela ukuvuselelwa kabusha kwedolobha iPort St Johns.